ups and downs, and I often pray to you, pondering your words, I see your love, my heart is soothed. I pray humiliation to bear witness for you, and I know I will better hide above where you are. Hey, hey, following you all the way. I will walk ever to the end. When you change your form, I will welcome your return. It is your words which nurture me and give me a human life. Thinking of your love, my heart feels enjoyment, and my whole body is filled with strength. Hardships and always being on the go cause me no pain, for you are with me. Though I cannot see your face, my heart still loves you, and you are in my heart. Your love has already worked out blues in my heart, and I shall forever be belonging to you. Hey, hey. Change your form, I will